Welcome back to the Army Motors channel, and today we're bringing you something special as always. We don't bring you normal cars at Army Motors. If it was an Audi TTRS we probably wouldn't have bothered, but when we've got a 525 horsepower monster tuned by Works Motorsport, we're going to bring it to you. We've got this car now, and if you're in the tuning scene, you may have seen a lovely bit of content from DMO. He had this car last year in Dubai. Check out his video and what he had to say about it and how quick it is. So here we are in the TTRS. As you can probably hear, this thing is pretty lively. I'm pleasantly surprised. I can feel it even in a quattro squirming for traction. Wow. Okay. This is definitely not your standard, as you can probably hear, Audi TTRS. And it's up there with probably one of the quickest ones I've ever driven. I mean, this isn't just sports car territory. This feels up there with supercar territory. So the TTRS isn't slow in standard disguise either. It's quite impressive, 400 horsepower, not 103.7 seconds. But add this extra power from Works Motorsport and the tuning work that they've done. This is definitely low threes, potentially less than the 2 seconds. Because in that quattro system off the line, it just flies. What to remember as well, even the standard one will do a quarter mile in 11.9 seconds. Now I'm not making cheesy Fast and the Furious claims here, but this could be a 10-second car. First of all, we've got to commend Audi for their amazing engine that you can use as a base platform for this TTRS. Honestly, 5-cylinder engines from Audi is synonymous for their Group B rally days, and you can see the heritage coming through in the modern engine we've got now. So, giving that to Works Motorsport, Stage 2 Plus tune. The main reason behind it, you've got the Ecotune ECU up to 525 horsepower, and that's all in conjunction with having upgrades with the intake from the IE intake. You've got the upgraded throttle inlet, you've got the upgraded turbo elbow on it, as well as the Miltech downpipe, the Akrapovic exhaust, and then we've got nice little touches of the APR coil packs, and again for the high temperatures, the AEM methanol injection kit. All that together is giving reliable performance as well, and it really puts this car in the supercar territory. And still, numbers-wise, very impressive. 350 brake horsepower per tonne on this model. It's 1500 kilos, and you can see behind me with the stripped out Recaro fixed bucket seats, which are surprisingly comfortable. Rear seats removed as well. With 1500 kilos and that power of weight, an Audi R8 V10 Plus is only 340 brake horsepower per tonne. And this is par with a 911 GT3. So it's got the performance on paper with a price tag of what you'd be paying for a Porsche Cayman S. So for that money, it's a no-brainer for me. A lot of people always feel that quattros can't give you that horrible understeery feeling into a corner, but this TTRS is nimble in the front end. Yes, we do have quite a bit of weight over the front axle, but I've still got a smile on my face driving this. Now, some of the points that have been, well, there's not many issues really with TTRS standard. They're pretty damn good cars. But if you're really pushing it hard at track pace with the standard steel brakes, you will get a bit of brake fade. You're going to start getting a bit of jitter coming through and a bit of spongy pedal. But in this one, it's got the upgraded racing line carbon ceramic brake upgrade, and it's damn impressive. I mean, you can stamp on these brakes hard and it stops, and it does not fade at all. Another little thing that's always said about the normal TTRS, they tend to have a little bit of lag in flat spot, the low RPM. But on this one, wow. So I'm more of a BMW and Porsche kind of guy. Audi RS models, don't get me wrong, always quick. But it never give me that driver feedback and chassis dynamics that a nice rear-wheel drive M-Power or balanced Porsche would give me. But really guys, Works Motorsport and the TTRS, it's up there with probably the best RS model I've driven in years. This is an impressive car. For the price point, you're getting supercar performance for sports car money. Yeah, it's a no-brainer. So what we've got here from the guys at Works Motorsport is a car that's been built to supercar performance at sports car money. If you want to drive to the track, abuse it for an hour, drive it back in comfort and enjoy it, you've got the perfect entry-level track the car as well. It's going to turn heads. People are going to think a TT, it's understated. You wouldn't know, but this is really going to be pushing GT3s around the track. And it's something pretty special. I actually really enjoyed that car today. So, 229,000 dirhams, great price point. Come down and check out RMA Motors. Thank you for watching again. We appreciate all the likes. Like and subscribe, follow the channel, and keep your eyes peeled for next month. We've got something massive coming, something big, where, how could I say the tagline? Maybe you could be a winner. There's a clue. Keep an eye for it. We're coming back next month with something huge. Turning or chassis dynamics that I like in an M-Power or a Porsche. I've just hit a bird. Holy fuck. Get that now, cuts.